My name is Brian. I'll be your furniture repair technician. Today, I'll show you how to level a dining room chair. The legs on this dining chair are uneven, causing it to wobble. To fix this, we will adjust the screws on the bottom of the chair. I'll begin by tilting the chair onto its back and laying it on a soft surface so it doesn't get scratched. This position will allow me to easily access the screws on the bottom of the chair. Located on the bottom of the chair seat, there are 6 screws which connect the seat to the back of the chair. To level the chair, I will loosen all 6 of the screws. Be careful not to remove them. You should feel the seat of the chair become loose. When I've loosened all the screws, I will lift the chair back onto its legs. I will then press down firmly on the chair seat. This action will set the chair's legs level with the floor. Instead of pressing on the chair seat, you can also sit on the chair to level the legs. Next, I will navigate under the chair and tighten the screws which I loosened in the previous step. And the process is complete. That's how you level a dining room chair. Thank you for watching and enjoy your furniture.